In today's show, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 reasons why Bitcoin is on shaky ground after failing to retake that critical $60,000 resistance. Also in today's show, Glassnode Analytics predicts a Bitcoin rally as stablecoin supply tags record highs. That's right, between Tether, USD Coin, Binance USD, and DAI, they're now worth more than $78 billion combined. Also in today's show, altcoins just repeated a move that could launch them 27,000% higher in 2021. That's right, as Rec Capital points out, last time altcoin market turned its old 2014 highs into support, it rallied 27,000 plus percent in over a year. Altcoin market cap has rallied 119% in 70 days since turning its old 2017 highs into support. This is just the beginning. Also in today's show, breaking news, eBay exploring crypto payments for 187 million buyers. That's right, the e-commerce titan eBay says it's open to adding crypto payments to its platform as the emergent asset class attracts more attention. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin will shatter $300,000 this cycle, says top trader Michaël Poppe in a new interview, and he even explains why. I'll be breaking down the highlights for you right here in today's show. He also tweeted, the crypto market cap is ready to 10 trillion plus in this cycle. Also in today's show, Bitcoin is perfectly set up for a leap towards $100,000, according to crypto analyst Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model. He recently tweeted, new dot, slightly down after 6 months up. Looks like the perfect setup for a jump towards $100,000. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin correcting while Ethereum and Dogecoin are breaking out to new all-time highs. But where's Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work. They're currently paying out a 5% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin, so you can literally have your Satoshis work for you. And they also have a special promo running right now where you can earn 10% APY on crypto stable coins for a limited time. So be sure to take advantage of this. Now, what I love about BlockFi, besides the fact they're so easy to use and that there are no hidden fees, they are backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss, Fidelity, Morgan Creek, and Coinbase. And they have a special promo running right now where you can receive up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. All you need to do is click my referral link in the description right down below. It'll take you here. Click this yellow button that says sign up, and you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below, claim your bonus, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Bitcoin is back testing the lower levels after failing to conquer that 60K resistance, and indicators suggest the downturn is not yet over. That's right, Bitcoin bounced off of 55,000 overnight on Monday, hours after hitting local highs of nearly 59,000 in a bullish early trading. Now, with sellers still in place closer to all-time highs of 64,500, the largest crypto has a lot of work to do yet to exit its current broad trading range. That's right, Bitcoin moves back to the exchanges. One metric which may soon be causing problems for the bulls is the overall Bitcoin balance on crypto exchanges. While seeing a general steep downtrend throughout the past year, local spikes in supply when traders send coins back to their exchange accounts for a potential quick sale tends to reflect a more selling-driven mentality entering. This is not the case for every exchange this week, but according to data from monitoring resource by BT, 16,222 BTC has entered global leader Binance in the past 7 days, and by contrast, institutional platform Coinbase Pro has actually lost almost 12,000 BTC. Yet Binance is not alone. We have OKEX, Hobby Global, Bitfinex, and Kraken have all seen their Bitcoin balances tick up in the last 24 hours. Also, a familiar face from sentiment changes past this back week to greed, tracked by the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, one of my favorite indicators, which measures trader sentiment using a basket of weighted factors. Appetite for a sell-off is rising, even as the Bitcoin price action is no longer positive. On Tuesday, the index gave an overall crypto market score of 68 out of 100, which is where it's currently at, corresponding to greed being the overall mood driver. As you can see right here on your screen, we're currently at 68. Yesterday was a 61. Last week a 50 neutral, and last month a 74 in greed. This is still below its mid-90s peak seen earlier this year, a level which almost guarantees a sell-off, but volatility ensures that the index does not stay in the same zone for long. Greed can turn to extreme greed or extreme fear within days or even faster. On April 27th, for instance, the index measured just 27 out of 100. Now, for the third reason why the Bitcoin price is currently on shaky ground, Dogecoin adds to the altcoins Bitcoin pressure. That's right, Dogecoin just broke out to hit 50 cents this morning, currently in price discovery mode. Last but not least is perhaps the most conspicuous factor at play when it comes to problems for Bitcoin this week, which are the altcoins. At first it was Ethereum, which is also in price discovery mode. It touched about $3,500 this morning, which led to pack and outshine Bitcoin with its trip above 3,000 to new all-time highs on Monday. Now, however, Dogecoin is leaving the rest in its dust. It just touched a new all-time high of 50 cents this morning after getting integrated on the popular trading platform eToro. Doge was up 72% in a week compared to Bitcoin's 3% at the time of this recording, as you can see right here on your screen. All right, now for our next story of the day, the circulating supply of the 4 largest stablecoins has spiked to new all-time highs, suggesting buyers can soon spark another leg up for Bitcoin as well as the crypto markets. The combined total market cap of Tether, USD Coin, Binance Coin, and DAI has surged almost 190% from 27 billion to now 78 billion since the beginning of this year. In its May 3rd week on-chain report, on-chain analytics provider Glassnode noted that Tether is firmly positioned to be the stable token sector's leader, presenting 2/3 of the top 4 stablecoins combined market cap. USDT's total minted supply hit an all-time high of 51.78 billion at the end of last week after increasing by 1.48 billion or 3% in just 7 days. USDC supply has also increased by roughly 1 billion over the past week, with its market cap currently sitting at 14.5 billion according to CoinGecko. It briefly tapped a peak of 15 billion on April 30th, and with the surging supply, Glassnode highlights the Bitcoin stablecoin supply ratio, known as the SSR, which measures the Bitcoin supply divided by the stablecoin supply, is sitting at a year-to-date low of 13.4 and is approaching its all-time low of 9.6, which you can see right here on your screen. This chart shows that the SSR has been persistently low during 2020 and 2021, as stablecoin suppliers have largely grown in proportion to Bitcoin's price appreciation. And according to Glassnode, a decreasing SSR value is a bullish signal that the global stablecoin supply is becoming larger relative to the Bitcoin market cap. Quoting them here, as the total supply of stablecoins increases, it suggests an increased buying power of crypto native capital that can be quickly exchanged and traded into Bitcoin as well as other crypto assets. Also, Abe's liquidity mining incentives, launched on April 27th, would have also given a boost to stablecoin demand, as the majority of the rewards were targeted towards staking USDT, USDC, and DAI. Also, DeFi investors have observed that Abe's yield farming had an immediate impact on stablecoin borrowing volumes, which have over doubled since late April. So there you have it. And before I break down our next story of the day, altcoins just repeated a move that could launch them 27,000% higher this year in 2021, as well as breaking news: eBay exploring crypto payments for 187 million buyers, as well as Bitcoin shattering $300,000 this cycle, says top trader Michaël Poppe, as well as Bitcoin perfectly set up for a leap towards 6 figures, says crypto analyst and creator of the stock to flow model Plan B. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin correcting down 4.6% for the day, trading at about 55,900. We have Ethereum up 9%, currently in price discovery mode. It touched about 3,500 this morning and is currently above $3,400. We have Binance Coin down 1%, trading at $645. Dogecoin, new all-time high, up 40% for the day, now trading above 54 cents. Who let the Doge out? Just saying. And we have XRP down 9%, trading at $1.45. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Altcoins have delivered huge gains this year, to say the least. If they repeat their 2017 moves, hollers may be looking at an insane 27,000% moonshot. Are you ready? Let me know in the comments below. According to popular trader Rec Capital, those are the potential combined returns for altcoin investors if history repeats itself this year. That's right. In a new tweet on May 3rd, Rec Capital noted that at the start of 2017, the market cap of altcoins flipped its previous cycle high to support. That high come in late late 2013, and as a new floor level, it launched the market cap to a peak no less than 27,623% above it. Checking out his tweet right here. Last time altcoin market cap turned its old 2014 highs into support, it rallied 27,000 plus percent in a year. Altcoin market cap has rallied 119% in 70 days since turning its old 2017 highs into support. This is just the beginning. That's right. All it took was a single year, and Rec Capital suggested that although almost unimaginable, the same thing could happen by the end of 2021. In the past 2 months alone, the altcoin market cap is up 119% after flipping that same 2017 peak to support. Now for the $1 million question, how much would an altcoin market be worth if it were to reach 27,623% of its 2017 height? That's a price of $152.6 trillion. That's why he says this is just the beginning. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. Now let's discuss Ethereum, which recently reached a new all-time high this morning of about $3,500 and currently in price discovery mode. Once it passed $3,000 just yesterday, it began just surging and still breaking out at the time of this recording. Now Bitcoin is comparatively lackluster, managing roughly 11% gains over the past week compared with Ethereum's 28%, as you can see right here on your screen, as well as many other major cap altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin in terms of weekly gains, with analysts predicting new all-time highs to appear elsewhere. Checking out this tweet from Crypto Ed, I checked my crystal ball. Seems XRP is going to break all-time highs in coming weeks. A few months ago, I thought it was about to die, but what a comeback. How many of you are currently bullish on XRP? Let me know in the comments right down below. And arguing in defense of Bitcoin, however, fellow analyst Scott Melker, the Wolf of All Streets, looked to higher timeframes for signs of a predictable uptick incoming. Checking out his tweet right here on the Bitcoin weekly chart, there have been quite a few bad weekly candles on the Bitcoin chart in the past year. Each has been followed by bullish movement up to new highs. So there you have it. He is bullish on the king of all crypto. And before I break down our next breaking story of the day, eBay exploring crypto payments for 187 million buyers, as well as Bitcoin will shatter $300,000 this cycle, according to top trader Michaël Poppe, as well as Bitcoin perfectly set up for a leap towards $100,000, according to crypto analysts. Plan B. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at an all-time high just below $2.3 trillion with 202 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the Bitcoin dominance is as low as it's been in 3 years, now at 46% even, and the current Bitcoin market cap at $1.05 trillion. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Dogecoin leading the pack, no pun intended, up 33%, trading at 52 cents. Telcoin up about 24%, trading at 1.8 cents. Thorchain up 18%, trading at $18.46. And OMG Network up 13%, trading just under 10 bucks. Now out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins are you currently most bullish on during this bull season? Let me know in the comments right down below. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. E-commerce titan eBay says it's open to adding crypto payments to its platform as the emerging asset class attracts more attention. In a new CNBC interview, the eBay chief executive says that the company is always looking to add new payment options for its users. Quoting him right here, one of the great things about our managed payments is we're expanding the types of payments that we take. We now take Apple Pay and Google Pay. More choices for buyers. We'll continue to look at other options like cryptocurrency. That's right. And on top of the possibly integrating crypto into its payments option, he also highlights that the e-commerce giant is looking at the emerging non-fungible token subsector, better known as NFTs, which are verifiably unique blockchain-based items such as images, videos, or music with properties that can be thought of as certificates of ownership. And according to this chief executive of eBay, their massive user base makes it an ideal platform where artists and creators can cash in on their NFTs. Quoting him here, one of the great things about eBay is that when there is a new trend, it just shows up on eBay. That's what we're seeing in areas like NFTs, which we're looking at how we can explore that better, because eBay is really known as the place to transact goods. With 187 million buyers on the platform, this is the place that sellers come to get scaled demand. We're looking at NFTs and exploring opportunities on how we can enable it on eBay in an easy way. When you think about collectibles, everything that's really collectible has been on eBay for decades. So there you have it. This is massively bullish, not just for Bitcoin, but for the entire crypto industry. We're talking 187 million buyers, which can help bring in mass adoption. And before I break down our next story of the day, Bitcoin will shatter $300,000 this cycle, says top trader Michaël Poppe, and explains why, as well as Bitcoin perfectly set up for a leap towards $100,000, according to crypto analysts. Plan B. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 775 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including including my daily letter, which could be found at letter.cryptonewsalerts.net, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. You can also follow me on my blog, which I update daily at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is cryptonewsyes. You can also find me on Facebook. I have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you on Telegram, I do have a private Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. And for those of you on TikTok, be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Prominent crypto trader and strategist Michaël Poppe is revealing his bull Bitcoin top prediction. In a new video, Poppe discusses the ebbs and flows of a crypto bull cycle, explaining why right now is a dangerous time to bet on a bear market. He shares, if you want to bet on a bear market, you're betting on something that's happening not too often. If you do that, you're betting against the general trend of the market. I'm quite sure we are in a bull cycle, and betting on a bear market is really complicated to do, especially in a market where the US dollar is losing value over time. I think the bet that you want to be involved in is crypto, and I think the bet is you want is also to be involved in is altcoins. Poppe reasons that also the US dollar continues to be devalued and institutional money flows into the flagship crypto, eating into the Bitcoin supply. The bull market will march on, taking the price of Bitcoin all the way to 6 digits, quoting him here. Given the fact that institutional money and more adoption, and there are more options to buy Bitcoin, for instance, this week we had Coinbase accept PayPal orders for Bitcoin. The more that this is happening, the heavier the supply shock is going to happen for Bitcoin, which means there is so much demand right now that it will push the Bitcoin price up as there is less supply on the market. You can see that as the amount of Bitcoin is dropping heavily as it is going into hardware wallets and into investment purposes. And he concludes, are we going with Bitcoin towards $300,000 or $500,000? I guess we will, because if you look at the valuation of gold at this stage, it's about $12 trillion. If you calculate that for Bitcoin at this stage, it's already about $500,000 that we are going to hit. So if we are going to have a top this cycle for Bitcoin, I guess it's going to be above $250,000 and closer to $350,000 to $450,000. And I guess it'll also be longer than this year. I guess we will have more substantial sideways periods. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Michaël Poppe that this cycle top will be above $250,000. He also points out on Twitter that the crypto market cap is ready to 10 plus trillion in this cycle. Keeping in mind the current crypto market cap is just above 2 trillion. That means he believes it will 5x. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. One of these guys responded, what kind of coke are you on? 10 plus trillion. That is aggressive. I love it, but aggressive. So there you have it. Now let's check out the latest from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model, who says Bitcoin is perfectly set up for a leap towards $100,000. Checking out his tweet right here. Orange new dot, slightly down after 6 months up. Looks like the perfect setup for a jump towards $100,000. Rocket ship to the moon. And then he points out the most recent 8 closes for the month from September of 10,000, October 13,000, November 19,000, December 28,000, January 33,000, February 45,000, March 58,000, and the April close was 57,200. He also shares his Bitcoin stock to flow cross asset model, better known as stock to flow X, which predicts a $288,000 Bitcoin price before the end of this year. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. I shared 3 reasons why Bitcoin is on shaky ground after failing to retake that critical 60K resistance. Also in today's show, I shared that Glassnode Analytics predicts a Bitcoin rally as stablecoin supply tags record highs of above $78 billion. Also in today's show, I shared that the altcoins just repeated a move that can launch them 27,000% higher this year in 2021. Also in today's show, I shared breaking news, eBay exploring crypto payments for 187 million buyers. That's right. Also in today's show, I shared that Bitcoin will shatter $300,000 this cycle, according to top crypto trader Michaël Poppe. Also in today's show, I shared that Bitcoin is perfectly set up for a leap towards $100,000, according to crypto analyst and creator of the stock to flow model, Plan B. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, I want to give a special shout out to BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work. They're currently paying out a 5% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin, so you can literally have your Satoshis work for you. And they have a very limited time special offer running right now where you can earn a 10% APY on crypto stablecoins. To take advantage of this, all you need to do is use my referral link in the description right down below. You also receive up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more, making this truly a no-brainer. To take advantage of this, click the link below. It'll take you here. Then click the yellow button that says sign up, and you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below. Claim your free bonus. Let's start stacking those sats, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.